Hi folks, last night was crap, weren't it?
It was.
Yeah, we actually stopped at Palencia.
Too many mosquitoes.
Yeah, we stopped there years and years ago when my kids were young. So it's got to be 16, 17 years or so ago. And it was all right. The airs itself, you'll see on the end of this, it's just a big car park. It's awkward to get to the service point because you have to reverse in, and if you've got a vehicle 7.5 meters, 8 meters long, you're going to be blocking the road. So
Not happening.
that's useless. But you can always carry your cassette, empty your cassette.
Yeah.
That's about it, really, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's a big park next to it with a lake. Unfortunately, the lake is quite dried back, isn't it? It's evaporated a lot. You can see the plastic.
Yeah.
And I did say when we was walking through the park, I'm worried about mosquitoes tonight.
Yeah. There's a lot of stagnant water as well.
Well, a lot of the water just standing, weren't it?
Yeah.
The river had a fountain in it to help move it, or a canal. It might have been a canal. But it was green. And the Airs itself is about 10 minutes walk to the town.
Yeah.
So it's not that far. It's got some nice buildings. But the letdown was the mosquitoes.
It was.
We locked down, didn't we, about 4 o'clock because we had a storm come in. Right thunder and lightning, wasn't it? That came in, and so all the windows were shut, everything was shut. But last night we was eaten alive by mosquitoes. I have about 12 or 13?
Yeah, 12.
12 bites on me, and you've got loads. They like her more than me. Yeah, so
tasty.
She's tasty. I'm sour.
I'm saying nothing.
Yeah, so if you want to go there and stop overnight, it's entirely up to you, but be warned that the mosquitoes are really bad.
I thought it was nice to spend a day there.
Yeah, it would be nice to spend a day, or just to stop. But saying that, if you're just going to stop, then you've got Burgos, you've got other places that's got service points.
Yeah.
So, it's up to you. You can see what it looks like on the video, but just be warned about the mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got up at 1 o'clock this morning and sprayed everywhere because we'd been bitten that much. We should have sprayed before going to bed, shouldn't we? Yeah. But that's it. We're planning to move on to Dax today. So depending on what the airs are like there and if we can actually get in. Because apparently what I've read up on Google, they get full very early in the morning. So we'll try, and if we can't, then we'll maybe go make our way all the way up to Vivon.
Yeah.
That's only 600 kilometres into Calais.
Yeah.
Or we might even be going to Luxembourg or even Belgium. So we'll decide on that. Yeah, so we'd like to go back to Waterloo.
I love the museum. It's so fascinating.
Yeah. But you've never been to Luxembourg, have you?
No.
So we might go to Luxembourg for the day and then go on. Not only that, the tobacco's cheaper in Luxembourg than it is anywhere else. Shh, don't tell anybody. Yeah. But, well, the kids want us to take them tobacco back, didn't they? So it's only 11.50, I think it is.
Don't look at me, you didn't tell me.
Yeah, Unbelief is 11.50 a pouch, 50-gram pouch in Luxembourg. So it might pay to pick it up there instead of paying twice as much
Yeah,
Well,
save a
not
few
quite.
pennies.
Yeah,
And they will.
well, that's it. It's for them anyway.
Yeah.
We won't make any money out of that. Yeah, but that's it. All right, we'll let you know where we end up stopping later on today,
Yeah.
and we'll go from there.
I was going to say, even if we go to Waterloo, I am not going up that mound.
We'll wait and see.
I'm just saying, I am not.
I
going
can't
up.
get up that mound at the moment.
Just a pair of old fuddy-duddies.
Yes, but you can take the camera up. And then just think, if you go giddy at the top and fall down, you just roll down the hill. It'd be roly-poly, wouldn't it?
You're nasty.
Okay, on that note, the video's at the end, so look at the airs. Like I say, it's just a big car park, really, with a big park next to it.
It is.
With geese and ducks and bloody mosquitoes. All right.
Lots of mosquitoes.
I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it gives you some ideas. So take care. All the best. And most of all, if you're out there driving,
happy travels.
Happy travels. Bye for now.
Bye.
Okay folks, this is where we're parked up now. This is Palencia. As you can see, the yellow bays are all for motorhomes. It's a good size parking lot. Yeah, and it's free. You got your toilet in that lot down there, which is a bit awkward to get to for an average vehicle, but it's only really built for a camper van, not for a motorhome. But yeah, we're 9 metres almost, and we've got in, so there's plenty of room. Well, the ducks are making a racket.